Hi everyone. In today's video, we shall discuss how to view and download IT return reports like Ledger, P&L and Tax P&L. For this, you need to log in Box as you can download and view these reports only using the back office facility. Now, once you log in Box, on the dashboard itself, you shall find Ledger and P&L. Before this, please note that you can log in Box using our trading apps, or you can also log in Box through Google Chrome browser using the link box.tradesmartonline.in. Now, coming back to the reports, as I mentioned earlier that you will find Ledger and P&L on the dashboard, but if you tap on the menu list, you will find all the reports at one place such as Ledger, P&L and Tax P&L under the reports option. Now, let us check Ledger first. To view this report, you need to select the date first. So you can select the date as per your requirements, or you can also select the current financial year. If not, you can even custom the date range, for which you need to select the start date, end date and click on apply option. After you select date, next you need to select segment. So you can choose a particular segment. If not, you can keep the default segment as segment all and click on go option. Once you click on go option, all your ledger entries will be available. So in this report which is generated, you can find entries such as funds added, funds withdrawn, that is your pay-in payout transactions. Now, apart from this, you will also find the bill entries for your executed orders, that is for your traded transactions. Now, if you tap on this bill entry, you can also see the voucher details, that is the settlement number, the brokerage charges and the other statutory charges. Once you move on the right side of the bill, you will also find contract note. Now, please note when trades are executed, we as broker provide you the bills on a registered email ID for each executed trades. However, you may click on the contract note option to know about the trades in particular for that date and can even download them using this contract note facility. You can also download this entire ledger report in Excel and PDF format and store it for your reference. Next is the P&L report. So P&L report can be checked to know your earnings, that is profit and losses, and also to know the overall charges. Now, similar to ledger report, you need to first select date. Next, you need to select segment, so you can choose a particular segment. If not, keep the default option as segment all and click on the go option. Once the P&L report is generated, you shall see a similar screen where you can view two tables. Now, to begin with, the first table will show you the realized and unrealized net profits or losses, and the second table will show you the total charges, which includes all the brokerage charges and the other statutory charges such as GST, stamp duty, STT, turnover charges, etc. So you can get an overview of the total charges. Apart from this, when you scroll in the bottom part, you will find another table which will show you the script-wise summary of all trades that you have made, where multiple trades of same script are clubbed together so that you get script-wise overview of the profits and losses you made throughout. You can also download this report in PDF and Excel format in your device and store it for your reference using this option. Last is Tax P&L. So this report will help you track your earnings and taxable income better, because here you can get an overview of segment-wise turnover and profit figures and the charges applicable on this profits and turnover. Now, to view this report, you need to select the financial year, as this report is available on yearly basis. we shall opt for the current financial year. However, as per your requirements, you can even choose the previous years. After you select the financial year, you need to select segment. You can keep the default option as segment all because, as I mentioned earlier, this report will show you segment wise details only. After you select this segment, you need to tap on the view option. Apart from this, if you wish to download this report, you can use this option, download consolidated report, and please note that this might take few minutes for the report generation on your device. So you can use it for your future reference and even for tax filing purposes. Also, on the top right hand side, you can see turnover report and STT report, which you can download on your device as well. Now, coming back to the text P&L report, you will find equity table, currency table, F&O table, and even commodity table. So you shall see segment-wise details in this report. Now, each table has a link at the bottom right that reads details. Clicking on this link will redirect you to another tab that gives you a detailed view for the selected segment. So here you shall see profits and turnover, which are further bifurcated into intraday, short-term and long-term profits and turnover. You will also find the breakdown of all the charges that includes brokerage and other charges. Then you will also see the opening balance, which shows you the stocks that you have bought in last financial year but haven't sold them in the current financial year, and much detailed information for the individual scripts such as intraday stocks, short-term stocks, and the purchases that you have made in the current financial year. You can also download these individual reports in PDF and Excel format using these options for the tax filing purposes. Kindly note that we also send you the consolidated report called Annual Global Transaction Statement AGTS in the month of April to your registered email ID. This report is used for filing income tax returns, so you can always have a look at your registered email ID for same. Thank you.